This is the question paper held in September 2020. So in first main, 8 multiple choice questions. First question was the war that ended the Treaty of Salbai was. The Salbai agreement is related to First Anglo-Maratha War. And the second one, in 1938, the president of Haripur Congress session was. This is Haripur Congress session is belongs to Subhash Chandra Bose was president of Haripur Congress in 1938. Third one, the main objective of the French Revolution 1789. Main objective. It was protection of human rights. Fourth one, Narmada Bachao Andolan. It was led by Meda Patkar. Very simple question. Fifth one, the telephone number of child helpline. That is 1098. Sixth one, the correct pair among the following is. Here are some the rainfall which happened in summer season given and state given, which is correctly matched. Only one correctly matched, remaining wrong. Correctly matched is Coffee Blossom, Karnataka. Remaining are wrong. Seventh one, Human Development Index of India in 2014. So that is 0.586 in 2014 HDI ranking. Eighth one, that is the father of white revolution. Very simple question. That is Varghese Kurian. Second main is answer the following questions in a sentence each. You can write in a sentence or you can write in a word. First one is in second main, Hyderabad province had to keep a British contingent in its province after 1798. Why? So very simple question. Why Hyderabad had to keep British contingent in 1798? Because very simple, Hyderabad signed subsidiary alliance. Because of Hyderabad signed for subsidiary alliance, it had to keep British resident in its province. Very simple. 10th one, why was Ramakrishna Mission or Ramakrishna Mutt founded? Answer is to carry the messages and the thoughts of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. 11th one, what is the main objective of Food and Agricultural Organization, that is what we call FAO? FAO main objective is, so very simple is, F stands for food, A agriculture. So the objective is also related to food and agriculture. So answer is fight against poverty, malnutrition and hunger. Poverty, malnutrition and hunger. 12th one, why was a protest organized against Kaiga nuclear power plant? Why there was a protest against Kaiga nuclear plant? Because nuclear radiation would lead to deforestation, environmental pollution and spoil numerous species in the ecosystem. One is very simple, radiation. That leads to what? Destruction, deforestation and pollution. 13th one, how is laterite soil is formed? How it is formed? Laterite soil form always under high temperature and high rainfall areas, under the condition of high temperature and high rainfall area. 14th one, define density of population. What is the density of population? The number of people per square kilometer. Simple. The number of people per square kilometer is called density of population. One more is there, 15th one. How is per capita income of a country calculated? Per capita income. Total national income is divided by total population. Simple. Total national income divided by total population of one country or in a given year is per capita income we can extract. 16th one, why March 15 of every year observed as World Consumer Rights Day? Why should we observe it as World Consumer Rights Day? Because in America, John F. Kennedy gave consumer basic rights on that day. Basic rights for consumers. Who? That is John F. Kennedy. So that we observe that day as World Consumer Rights Day. Okay, third main is answer the following questions in 2 sentences and nothing but 4 points each. 71th one, what factors made Europeans to discover a new sea route to India? What factors made Europeans to discover new sea route to India? Which are those factors? Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople. Because of Ottoman Turks, that was Constantinople totally come under control of the Ottoman Turks, so trade stopped. Spain and Portugal were attempting to break monopoly of Italian traders. Italian traders had monopoly over the European trade, so kings started encouraging enterprising sailors to fight a new sea route to India. Third one is kings started to encourage. Fourth one, scientific inventions, astrolabe, map, gunpowder, many things. They too boosted a lot to find out new sea route to India. 18th one, refugees have become a huge problem since partition of India. A refugee problem, huge problem since partition of India. Why it is a huge problem? We have to substantiate, nothing but explain. Why it is a huge problem? We have to substantiate. Huge problem because 6 million refugees came to India. Huge one. Lakhs of refugees came to India between 47 to 71. 10 lakh refugees came to India at the time of Bangla Vimochana. Tibetans had arrived to India during Nehru time. 1,20,000 Tibetans refugees are in India. Major famines destroyed Indian financial security. Still India showed humanitarian concern for refugees. So any 4 points we have to write here. That is nothing but substantiating the refugee problem is a huge. 19th one, you can see many issues have influenced our changing foreign policy. Many issues have influenced our changing foreign policy. How? Or you can also write another question. Why is Security Council considered as cabinet of UNO? First one you can take. First one, our changing foreign policy influence. What are the factors influence on foreign policy of India? Is nothing but they twisted. Many issues have influenced our changing foreign policy. It is nothing but What are the factors influence on foreign policy of India? Both are same. One is national interest, military issues, public opinion, international situation, political situation, geographical interest, economic interest. Next one, Security Council is called cabinet. Why it is called cabinet? Try to solve global problems peacefully. UN peacekeeping force is there. It selects judges for the international court. It maintains the peace and order and nominate the Secretary General to the UNO. So, very significant functions the Security Council perform, so that it is called cabinet. Child trafficking affects the holistic development of children. How? The direct question is, what are the effects of child trafficking? But they twisted. Child trafficking affects holistic development of children. We have to write effects only. One more question you can attempt. Division of labor is more useful. How? We have to write advantages of division of labor. So first go, that is child trafficking. Because of child trafficking expose physical and sexual exploitation and infected with sexually transmitted diseases, and unwanted pregnancy happen, abortions happen, drug addictions, murders, forced pregnancy, all such things happen because of child trafficking. So it is very danger for holistic development of a child. One is alternative question was, that is division of labor. We have to write helps to gain skill because of division of labor, deep knowledge, training. Class system emerge because of division of labor. Business industrialization grow. Invest more, earn more, profit more. Such things will happen. Specialization will happen. Get more profit. So division of labor is very important, so useful. Next is eastern coast and western coast differentiation. They have asked how are these are different. We can differentiate. We can differentiate in such a way. Yes, the column has been given right here. Eastern coast, where to where? Western coast, where to where? Suvarnarekha to Kanyakumari, eastern coast. Western coast, run of Kutch to Kanyakumari. Eastern coast between Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. Western coast, it is Arabian Sea and Western Ghat. It is broader. Western coast, eastern coast is broad. Western coast is narrow. Eastern coast is Northern Sarkar and Coromandel coast has. Western coast ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are some coast. Konkan coast is there. Karnataka coast and Malabar coast. There are many deltas in eastern coast, but in western coast deltas are absent. Only such things we have to write. Next question is classify the following under personal communication and mass communication. Which are personal communication, which are mass communication? We have to bifurcate. Post, television, fax, radio. We have to classify them. Personal communication is post, fax. Mass communication is television and radio. Personal communication, usually we opt for to communicate with a single person. Mass communication, usually we opt to reach the whole mass, the whole society, whole community. We can reach. 23rd question, see that the goals of public expenditure. This lesson is dropped. Actually, in 2021 board exam. So I skip. 24th one is there. You can see that is name the different types of bank. Asked for 2 marks. Just types of accounts. Just you have to write only 4 account are there: savings account, current account, recurring account, and term deposit account. Just naming them. That's it.